Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular grooming products, the Andis O4780 Professional T-Outliner and the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for precision trimming or a versatile grooming kit, we've got you covered. The Andis O4780 is a corded electric trimmer, which means it requires a power outlet to operate. This design offers consistent power but limits mobility. In contrast, the Braun Series 7 is a cordless trimmer that operates on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing up to 100 minutes of use. This cordless feature enhances portability, making it convenient for travel and use on the go. When it comes to versatility, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 takes the lead with its 12-in-1 functionality. It includes multiple attachments for trimming, shaving, and body grooming, making it an all-around grooming solution. On the other hand, the Andis O4780 is designed primarily for precise outlining and trimming, which may limit its use for those seeking a multifunctional tool. Price is another important factor to consider. The Andis O4780 is priced at $59, making it an affordable option for those who need a reliable trimmer without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 comes at a higher price of $119, reflecting its multifunctionality and included features. It's essential to weigh your grooming needs against your budget when making a decision. In conclusion, both the Andis O4780 Professional T-Outliner and the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize precision and affordability, the Andis trimmer is an excellent choice. However, if you seek versatility and convenience, the Braun kit may be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and grooming